Good morning, and welcome to episode 283 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkin, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, July 1st, 2026. We're just 3 days away from the 250th birthday of America, celebrating our independence on July 4th, 1776. Amid that, there's a lot going on around the world. Aid continues to flow to Venezuela as they dig out from two massive earthquakes. Currently, the death toll is approaching 2,000 people. The U.S. and Iranian truce is fragile but holding, even though both sides are exchanging missile fire. Hardliners in Tehran threaten to upset the delicate balance struck between the U.S. and Iran currently. Russia is feeling the effects of gas shortages. A lot of pressure being put on Putin because of the shortage of gasoline as Ukraine continues to target refineries deep in Russia. The second quarter was a good quarter for risk-on assets. It was not a good quarter for gold. The Dow was up 13% in the second quarter. S&P 500 was up 15%, and the NASDAQ was up 21%. Gold, on the other hand, suffered its worst quarterly drop in a decade. Gold is down 25% from its highs earlier this year, and silver is down nearly 50% from its highs earlier this year. Meanwhile, the US dollar is surging. Let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers over the past week. Then we've got a few more things to cover here today. Gold is down 1.2% over the past week, trading at $4,008.10. It did dip below $4,000 here recently. It was $4,058.40 last week. Silver's down 3.8% to $58.45 an ounce. It was $60.79 last week. Platinum's down 4.4% to $1,555 an ounce. It was $16.27 an ounce last week. And palladium's down 1.1% or $14. It's trading at $1,208 an ounce. It was $12.22 last week. With gold falling less than silver, it's going to take more ounces of silver yet to buy that ounce of gold. Your gold-silver ratio is up to 68.57. It was 66.76 last week. And the dollar continues to surge, although it fell off a little bit over the past week. It's trading this morning against the legacy currencies at 101.33. It was 101.69 last week. So here we go, folks. Gold, again, down 25% from the highs. Silver down 50%. Gold and silver are cheap and hated. The premiums are low. The spot prices are low. Gold and silver are both on sale. And now's a great time to buy it. It's further on sale if you're in Maryland. Our good friend Senator Bulworth wrote in last week that as of today, July 1st, you no longer have to pay that 6% sales tax on precious metals that you're buying as long as you're buying $1,000 or more. So that was a change for 1 year in the regulations in Maryland, and that's a 6% savings immediately on top of the low prices and the low premiums. Another thing I want to cover, we sent an alert out this past weekend. Our good friend Porter Stansberry is out with a new book, 2029, The End of America. Absolutely encourage you to go ahead and get this, read it. It talks about what we're seeing going on around us, what Porter anticipates happening as the end of this paper money experiment, and the good news about what you'll find on the other side for those who prepare properly. And I'll give you an idea. Gold is in the background. You can sign up for that book in the description section below, and go ahead and sign up to join Porter and I at his farm September 23rd and 24th. Wouldn't want to miss it. A lot of great information, great speakers, and we get to spend some one-on-one time with you. So sign up for that, get a copy of the book, and we'll see you in September. Last thing I just want to touch on here today as we come up on the 250th anniversary, just want to say go Team USA. We've got a big game tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern against Bosnia and Herzegovina. And that leads to my question for this week. What will happen first? Will gold hit $10,000 an ounce, or will the U.S. win their first World Cup? What happens first? I'd love to hear your thoughts. As always, we'd like you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us, send us your comments and questions as Senator Bulworth did. Go ahead and take our see us on social media, take our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts, and our once monthly information line newsletter, which comes out a week from tomorrow because of the holiday this week. And as always, you got to realize that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours. Happy birthday, America.